Marble polishing services Cobham. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of marble polishing services available from Tile Cleaning Surrey in Cobham. Marble polishing in Cobham is not just a service, it's an art. Using advanced techniques, our professionals transform worn-out marble back to its original sheen. We use specialized diamond tools to erase scratches and stains, leaving a smooth, glossy finish that rejuvenates your space. While polishing focuses on enhancing the surface's shine, restoration addresses deeper issues like cracks, deep scratches, damage, and deep stains. Choosing the right service in Cobham is crucial. It's about understanding your marble's unique needs and finding a provider that respects the stone's natural beauty. A trusted service doesn't just transform your marble surfaces, they also guide you in maintaining that elegance for years to come. For your marble polishing and restoration needs in Cobham, call us today on 01784 775 813 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk and experience the transformation. Marble polishing services Cobham, where beauty meets durability. Call now,